Jenna and Jeremy.
In August 2020, we bought an RV.
In September 2020, we sold everything and hit the road full time.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff. We've just spent a couple weeks exploring some really unique destinations in New Mexico that you may want to add to your bucket list. Click above to watch that one. In hopes of finding ski slopes, we decided we should continue north into colorful Colorado. First stop, Durango, a small city of around 19,000 people, and it's where the desert meets the mountains. Durango has a lot to offer. We took a nice hike and found some cool rocks to play on. It was sunny and 65, and we were happy to be outside enjoying it. Heading north towards Silverton, you climb around 3,000 feet of elevation. I was so stoked to be surrounded by snow that I decided to pull over and get a lap in.
On the side of the road, because Jeremy has this great idea that he wants to just go randomly ski. He said, let me just ski one time. I saw a little snow in the mountain, and let me ski one time.
There we go. Made it up, I don't know, halfway up this thing, and it's time to shred it down. First time skiing in over a year, post-fractured ankle. Let's do it.
He's going into the road. He's going into the road. Oh my gosh, thank God. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh!
Probably not worth the effort, knowing we'd be sitting on a lift in a few days, but great exercise and just fun to be spontaneous in such a pretty place. This section of US 550 from Silverton to Ouray is considered the $1 million highway. Apparently it cost $1 million per mile to build, and the views, priceless. What a crazy drive, especially in an RV. We made it to Ouray after dark. I felt like a kid eagerly waiting until Christmas morning to open presents. I woke up early and flew the drone, but quickly realized that since we're so deep in these mountains, it'd be a few hours before the sun really lights up this beautiful town. We enjoyed a lovely stay at the Timber Ridge Lodge on Main Street. From here, you're walking distance from the hot springs, loads of great hiking trails, and the quaint town of around 1,000 people. Ouray has been dubbed the outdoor recreation capital of Colorado, a bold claim in such an incredible state, but it's clear why people say this. Box Canyon Park is just south of town and brought us back to our honeymoon in Switzerland. You walk into this giant canyon with water just gushing out of it. Next door is the Ouray Ice Park, home to some of the best ice climbing around. The Uncompahgre River is below, and this spot made for one of my favorite drone flights ever. I know I say that a lot. Last stop for this video, we have the Baby Bathtubs Trail. In our next video, we'll head north towards a lesser-known national park that sees around the same number of visitors annually that Yellowstone National Park sees monthly. Please hit that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment if you have one, and we'll see you next week.